Hello guys, hopefully everybody is doing well today. Today I will be doing a mukbang of some WHATABURGER. I have, let me just show you. I have some fries, of course. And I have some water chicken with gravy if they gave the correct order, and some burnt toast. Not sure if you guys can see that, but yeah. And I have some spicy ketchup as well. I'm gonna put this to the side. Hopefully everybody is having a great year so far. My first day of 2019, I was working, so it was pretty interesting. Didn't really do anything. Well, didn't do much today at work because it was basically kind of slow today, of course, but yeah, it was all right. I guess a good way to spend my day, first day of 2019, but no worries. Yeah. Oh yeah, I do have some Sprite, but it seems strong, but it's like kind of dull. Yeah. They put some super glue on this. Right here. Not that. Not that bad. I just got them. Get some salt. Yeah, that salt makes everything better. On the strips, these strips small as heck. They used to be bigger, but yes. I seen something crazy ghosting came out. Well, lately, I found the new YouTube channel that I've been watching lately. It basically makes fun of people that make mukbangs or whatever. It's kind of funny, somewhat funny that I've seen. The most funniest video I've seen that they made was the one with B-Love's life. That was kind of interesting. It's funny to see some people. Well, it's funny because sometimes her whole show be basically a joke. Well, it doesn't necessarily be a joke to them. It'd be funny throughout the whole video. I just know I'm ready to get in bed. It's 11:59 now. I'm ready to get in bed. It's cold as heck outside. It's supposed to be ice on the ground tomorrow. So I'm not for sure how that's gonna work. Dang, it was strong as heck. Dang. This is somewhat big. It's the biggest one that they have on here. But weird, okay. Tonight, well, this morning, tonight, I will try to watch Bird Box, Blind Box, whatever the heck it is, Blind Box, whatever. What do people have to blindfold their eyes because something they supposed to not see something or whatever? I'm gonna watch it today. My mom said it was pretty good. Then that's how I see up and down my timeline. Freaking waiting for it to heat up in here. It's gonna be. I'm gonna get some pretty good sleep when I go to bed. I've never tried some of these different dipping creams with dipping sauces. They say they got honey mustard, ranch, honey, barbecue, creamy pepper, fat-free ranch, creamy gravy, buffalo sauce, jalapeno sauce, honey butter sauce. Kind of interested in the jalapeno sauce. Jalapeno ranch, it sounds like it'll be good. I'm just shocked that 2019 is already here. Not really for sure. Well, I already know people gonna say New Year, New Me on Facebook, but I don't know what 2019 has to offer. Hopefully it'll be good, whatever it offers. Dang. Trying to say that extra ketchup just to have around the house, I guess. What the heck is this? Yes, it is what it is. Ah, crap, I dropped the fry. I guess tomorrow I'm gonna have to start wearing my big jacket, so it's gonna be like 30 degrees in Dallas. So, oh, excuse me. I guess it's gonna be winter finally down here. Well, I do know I'm not gonna be going to work if it's gonna be ice down. I don't even know what's the point of even giving this. I don't know if a lot of people eat this bread. It's Texas toast. It'll be good for something, but I don't prefer to eat it. That was pretty good. Yeah, that was pretty good. It seemed like everything down here was closed. Basically, the only thing was open was WHATABURGER, but I planned on going to WHATABURGER anyway. But I was kind of craving some, like some chicken, not necessarily chicken strips, but some chicken on a bone. Let me try this bread is soft. Nah. Not my type of party. What the heck? It zoomed in and it was kind of weird. Not in focus. Whew. That wasn't nothing. Actually, this bread is kind of interesting. Might as well. I'm not gonna eat the side, so. Ah, crap. But yeah, that is all. About to officially get in bed. I guess crank this heater up. I would sleep in the living room tonight, but I don't feel like dealing with that fireplace or whatever. But about to just relax, I guess. Could go for some more, but I haven't cooked anything yet, so yeah. Excuse me. I didn't even notice it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here. Hopefully everybody have a good night. Direct me into some YouTube people that make pretty good content and movies to watch, because I'll seriously be bored. That's all I basically do now. But yeah, have a good night, guys. See you soon.